I'll reveal the top 3 superfoods that will help you manage diabetes like a pro. Are you looking for expert advice on managing your diabetes through your diet? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing the top 10 essential foods for managing diabetes, straight from a dietitian. First up, we have leafy greens like spinach and kale. These are packed with nutrients and low in calories, making them a great choice for managing blood sugar levels. Next, we have whole grains such as quinoa and brown rice. These are high in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve heart health. Moving on to lean proteins like chicken, turkey, and fish. These can help keep you full and satisfied without causing spikes in blood sugar. Don't forget about healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation in the body. Lastly, we have berries like blueberries and strawberries. These are packed with antioxidants and can satisfy your sweet tooth without causing blood sugar spikes. Remember, it's important to balance your meals with a variety of nutrient-dense foods to help manage your diabetes effectively. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert tips on managing diabetes through your diet.